Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The latest surface concerning Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship smartphone, and it looks like the camera upgrade could be even better than expected. Following recent revelations about an all-new 50-megapixel 3x zoom camera from seasoned tipster Ice Universe, the same source has now posted some important key specs as well as possible reasoning behind the upgrade. According to the leak, Samsung's new 50-megapixel sensor is revealed to be a Type January 2nd 52 sensor with 0.7 micrometers pixels, with the stated reasoning being, with this sensor, Samsung can get a good 5x zoom image quality. Ice Universe cites this improved 5x zoom performance as the reason. Previous rumors expected the Galaxy S24 Ultra to feature a physical 5x zoom lens, which now appears to be unnecessary. By contrast, the current Galaxy S23 Ultra 3x camera features a 10-megapixel Type 1/3 52 sensor, which is not only much lower in resolution, but physically smaller. The Galaxy S24 Ultra should, therefore, offer significant improvements in medium-range zoom quality. The resolution upgrade should deliver a significant boost in detail, giving the camera more to work with when zooming digitally between the 3x camera and the smartphone's 10x camera, which is expected to retain the same hardware as in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Similarly, the increase in sensor size will allow the 3x camera to capture more light, reducing image noise and further improving detail. The increase in sensor size is especially important as simply increasing the number of pixels would potentially reduce low-light performance because more pixels would have to be crammed into the same space, reducing the size of each individual pixel and causing increased image noise. While the bigger Galaxy S23 Ultra sensor would still reduce the individual pixel size from 1.12 micrometers to 0.7 micrometers, its greater overall size would mitigate this effect. The new sensor could also deploy a form of pixel binning, which would allow it to switch into a lower resolution mode with bigger virtual pixels as required, increasing its low-light performance. Given the potential improvements in quality, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra camera could prove to be a compelling upgrade for any Galaxy S23 Ultra owners who purchase their smartphones specifically for its powerful zoom capabilities. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.